Akshita and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing good. And today's video is gonna be reacting to my childhood pictures. Yeah, that's right. It is going to be embarrassing, and I probably want to kill myself at the end of this, but I hope not, and I really hope it will be fun. So yeah, I have this book that I made when I was in 8th standard. We had a school project wherein we had to gather all our childhood photos and write something and like make a journal kind of thing. So this is what I had made. There are a lot of good photos in this. I also have some other photos. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So this is the first photo of me, I guess, and this is the most सबसे छोटू फोटो मेरा यही है. एंड आपको भी याद होगा ना, बचपन में मम्मियाँ यहाँ 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 टीका लगा के इतना आँख में भर भर की काजल, इधर बड़ा टीका, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, it was very common. And me coming from a South Indian family, obviously it is going to happen. So ऐसे टांग ऊपर करके, no shame, only shameless I was. I've always been shameless, but yeah, this is a good photo. See how healthy I was. I was like really healthy. Okay, so this is a photo, I guess. I don't know if I remember. This was a photo which was clicked at my papa's friend's some function, I guess. We had all gone, me, Dada, Papa, and this guy in the middle, I don't know. I don't even recognize him now because I was so small. But the guy next to him, yes, you guessed it right. That is my elder brother, Abhishek. And he was cute. He was really cute with his like one finger in his mouth, and always biting nails. Always. He still bites nails. Don't bite your nails. And see how happy we are just smiling. Actually, our smiles are also so similar, no? If you see like properly. This guy in the middle too, I don't know. But we look so cute. This is a good photo. Yes. Oh God. What do I even say about this photo? I mean, look. तो ये फोटो का क्या है, दिस वॉज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट ड्रेसेस एक्चुअली. आगे के फोटो में मे बी आई हैव द होल ड्रेस. दिस वॉज लाइक, मैंने बहुत साल पहनी है ये ड्रेस, मुझे बहुत पसंद थी. एंड मेरी मम्मी को ना पहले से बहुत शौक है उसको पेड़ पौधे लगाने का. एंड घर में शी इज ऑलवेज हैड प्लांट्स. सो जब मैं छोटी थी तो एक फ्लावर का झाड़ होता था, एंड मैं लिटरली एक भी फ्लावर आ गया ना था, आई टू गो प्लक इट एंड ऐसे क्लिप में लगा के घूमती थी. मेरे को बाल कभी बढ़ाने नहीं दिए बचपन में, तो मेरे को बाल ज़्यादा थे भी नहीं. हमेशा मेरा मशरूम कट होता था, मशरूम कट नहीं तो बॉब कट होता था. एंड इतने से बाल में भी मैं ऐसे मिक्स लगा के फुल कॉन्फिडेंस में कि मैं तो बहुत सुंदर लग रही हूँ और मैं मतलब आई एम द बेस्ट. तो यार, तो दिस इज a good photo, not bad. I don't know if this is embarrassing or cute. I really don't know. I guess this was my first fancy dress ever. And can you see that thing my mother has done on my cheeks? Like, lipstick से तभी blush बना देते थे. And look at my cheeks. Oh my God, I was a golu. Like a legit golu I was. And I had like these many cheeks. And now I don't have, like, but still people like pulling my cheeks. I don't know why. But pehle I had a lot of cheeks. I was a fatty, but I'm proud. Okay, so these are my birthday photographs. My first birthday was never actually celebrated, but after that all my birthdays were celebrated very nicely. And these birthdays पे it used to be so nice, no? वो बचपन में बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते थे, याद होगा ना सबको, कि केक, इतना बड़ा केक, एंड देन सबको वेफर्स और केक, चॉकलेट, चुडा असं सगळं प्लेटमध्ये भरून सगळ्यांना वाटायचो. आणि मग मी तर मेरा तो फोकस पूरा उस पे ही रहता था कि मेरे को कब मिलेगा, मेरे को वेफर्स बोलेगा तो बहुत पसंद है. लाइक बचपन से ना मुझे बनाना चिप्स का एलर्जी है. मतलब मैं जब भी बनाना चिप्स ज़्यादा खाती थी ना तो मेरा होठ ऐसे सूज जाता था, हनुमान जैसे बहुत बड़ा हो जाता था. लेकिन तब भी मैं खाती थी और अभी भी मैं खाती हूँ. Like if you follow me on Snapchat, you know my craze for banana chips. I love banana chips. But yeah. So birthdays पे also new dress used to get, no? And तभी कैसे होता था ना कि अगर कोई एक्सेसरी मिल जाए ड्रेस के साथ तो बस फिर मतलब लॉटरी होती है कि मतलब अगर ड्रेस लेने भी जाओगे इसके साथ पर्स है, हाँ ठीक है तो मेरे को यही ड्रेस चाहिए. इसके साथ हेयर बैंड मिल रहा है, हाँ ठीक है मेरे को यही ड्रेस चाहिए. तो वैसे होता था. एंड दिस बैंड थिंग आई यूज्ड टू लव इट अ लॉट. आई यूज्ड टू लव दिस ड्रेस ऑल्सो. एंड या तो क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ गुड मेमोरीज. एंड दिस इज माई मदर एंड दिस इज मी एंड दिस इज माई दादा. My dada was legit cute, okay? He was a sweetheart. But what has happened to you now? Go back to being this self. And yeah, I am too cute only. No? We've established that by now. These are Ganesh Chaturthi photographs. And Ganesh Chaturthi, I mean, what do I even say? Ganesha is my favorite. And I used to love Ganesh Chaturthi. I still do. Because whenever it is Ganesh Chaturthi, I especially now that we stay in Maharashtra and माझ्या घरी सुद्धा गणपती येतात तर इट इज अ टोटल डिफरंट वाइब and everybody visiting, आरती वगैरे किती छान, एकदम प्योर. द एनवायरमेंट इज सो प्योर and everything just feels so good. मैं पर्सनली आई यूज्ड टू लव ऑल ऑफ दिस. एंड ये सब ताम झाम होता था ना गणपति का, मुझे बहुत पसंद था. एंड मैं तो दिन भर गणपति के सामने ही बैठती थी, मैं उठती नहीं थी कभी. एंड आरती करना है, मेरे को टिक्का लगाना है, भले मेरा हाथ पहुँच रहा नहीं पहुँच रहा लेकिन मेरे को लगाना है, मेरे को सब करना है, ये करना है वो करना है सब. तो मैं बहुत ये करती. इवन नाउ मेरे को मतलब ऑब्वियसली इतना टाइम या एनर्जी नहीं होता है कि फिजिकली जाके सब करो, बट आई स्टिल ट्राई टू डू एज मच एज पॉसिबल. एंड देयर इज नेवर बीन अ ईयर की गणेश चतुर्थी आहे आणि मी घरी नाही आहे. I've always been at my place and it's beautiful around this time and it just feels so nice. Okay, so these are some additional photos that I have with me. And okay, so this is me and Shravani, and this was also a fancy dress competition, I guess. I was dressed as a South Indian girl, which I am, and Shravani was dressed as a Maharashtrian, obviously. And Shravani and I have been friends since 18 years. आम्ही एकमेकांना लिटरली जन्मापासून ओळखतो. वी नो इच अदर सिन्स बर्थ. अँड शी इज लेस ऑफ अ फ्रेंड and more of a sister. Like she's family and we've always been together. We've been inseparable all our lives. मतलब भले हमारे स्ट्रीम्स चेंज हो कुछ भी हो, बट we've always been in contact and हमेशा हम साथ में रहते थे. But now she's gone to Bangalore and I'm here. I miss you. Come back, dumb bitch. And oh god, this is a class photograph of playgroup, I guess. Yeah, junior KG के पहले क्या होता है, playgroup ही होता है. playgroup का है ये फोटो. And I was really small. And I'm gonna put this picture right somewhere. So मेरे बैच के जितने भी लोग हैं, and if you follow me, देखो तुम भी रहोगे कहीं ना कहीं फोटो में. Spot yourself in the photo and comment कि हाँ I was there in this photo. So yeah, this is a class photograph. And find me if you can. Find me. I won't tell which one I am, but it is pretty evident. But still, find me. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it. These were all the photographs, and the whole purpose of doing this video is obviously, to go down the nostalgic trip and to go down memory lane and whatever. But also I wanted to come out and say one thing, that since childhood I was very insecure about how I looked and how people think of me, because I was a bit overweight or whatever. But now I've realized that none of it matters. If you're fat or thin, whatever, you are pretty and everybody is pretty. And what matters is how much hardworking, how much helpful, and how good how good of a life you conduct. That is what matters. And don't think of yourself ki, don't think less for yourself. Make yourself a priority always. सोसाइटी हमेशा क्या सोसाइटी बोलती है उसको कंसिडरेशन में लेके चलने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. डू वॉट यू फील, डू वॉट मेक्स यू हैप्पी, and always love yourself, love your body, and keep glowing, keep growing, and always stay happy, and that is what matters. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. This was totally fun for me to do, and I really enjoyed doing this. And if if you've seen this video till this time, go put a story on Instagram with your childhood picture and tag me, so that I can know that you saw the whole video. And it was really fun, and if possible you should also go and check out your childhood photos. I know it would be fun for you. So yeah, I just want to end this video on a very happy note, and I'm really glad I did this. So stay happy, guys, stay positive, and see you in the next video. Bye.